In the heart of Maryland, an unthinkable tragedy unfolded. The collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge, an event that shook the nation to its core. A container ship collided with the structure, resulting in not only its catastrophic failure, but also the tragic loss of 6 precious lives. An event that, beyond its immediate impact, sent ripples of economic disruption across the region. The timeline of events that unfolded from this point marked a significant chapter in our nation's history. The collapse triggered a swift and determined response from Maryland lawmakers, a reaction that reverberated across the political spectrum. In the aftermath of the disaster, they introduced the Baltimore Bridge Relief Act, a piece of legislation that proposed the federal government should cover 100% of the replacement cost. The President, Joe Biden, backed this effort with bipartisan support, and the initial emergency relief funding of $60 million was released. But the total cost of the project remains uncertain, and concerns have been raised about the accountability of the funds. It became clear that swift action and bipartisan cooperation were necessary to address the national implications of the bridge collapse. The President called on Congress to fund the entire cost of rebuilding the Baltimore Bridge, a sum estimated at around $2 billion. However, this proposal faced opposition from some quarters, with spending cuts demanded. The closure of the port posed significant economic challenges, and the Biden administration moved swiftly to allocate emergency relief funds. The response to the bridge collapse became a critical test for Biden's infrastructure agenda. Plans were put in place by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers to reopen the port gradually, with full restoration expected by May. Biden pledged to rebuild the bridge using union labor and American steel, emphasizing the importance of maintaining jobs during the recovery process. As we look back on these events, we see a story of tragedy, resilience, and the power of bipartisan cooperation. The bridge collapse and the subsequent introduction of the bill highlight the importance of swift action in the face of disaster. The implications of this event have been far-reaching, affecting not only those directly involved, but also shaping our nation's infrastructure policy. The Baltimore Bridge Relief Act serves as a testament to the resilience of the American spirit and the commitment to rebuild stronger in the face of adversity. As we move forward, the lessons learned from this disaster will undoubtedly shape the future of our nation's infrastructure, emphasizing the necessity for accountability, swift action, and bipartisan cooperation. This is a story of our time, a story of resilience and determination, a story that continues to unfold.